Take it. Second one. Second one. Turn to yellow. And third one is black. Black turn to which color? Green. And the next one is red. Red change to which color? It is orange color. Red change to orange. What's the next? Next. Oh, it changed to green. Okay. Now one by one put in the cold water. It's changing color slowly. It's changing. Okay, put the next one. Yes. Yellow. Slowly. Changing in a cold water. Oh, change to yellow, change to black. And the green change into black. And the other one, put it back. The orange color change to red. Wait. Orange change to red color. Yes. Put the green one. Green color change to purple.